What's up guys, Carlos here of Yuga Tech, and it isn't every day where we get an opportunity to review a vacuum cleaner, but whenever we get the chance, our Tito spirits come to converge. So when LG sent us their latest flagship CordZero vacuum, the LG CordZero A9, we put on our freshly pressed pajamas, fire up our favorite Spotify playlist, and suck the dust out of our brand new IKEA carpet. And so, without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out LG new offering in the premium vacuum cleaning space. Whenever we hear vacuum cleaners, we always think of big bulky machines with very long, thick wires followed by a loud humming noise. That's the vacuum cleaner of your mom and Lola. The vacuum cleaners of today are much smaller, lightweight, and guess what? Cordless. This vacuum aims to compete with the premium cordless vacuum cleaners in the market. Right out of the box, we do have a lot of attachments including two main cleaner heads in addition to those tools. There's also a bedding power punch nozzle attachment, which is meant to be used for sofas and seats as it vibrates to agitate the surface for much more deep cleaning. There's also a few other nozzles included in the box. For build quality, the LG CordZero is made out of a high-quality polycarbonate material. It does look very modern looking, and there's also a charging stand which is a very sturdy base which can easily fit in the living room with its minimalist design. The vacuum itself is a very lightweight as compared to some brands' entry in this premium vacuum space. There's also an attachment on the charging base itself, so switching from one attachment to the other is a breeze. The stem of the vacuum can be extended depending on your cleaning needs and height. The head attachments can also rotate at a certain angle so you can still clean tricky spaces on your house. So, you need not worry about reaching the farthest nooks and crannies of your home or reaching out to the dingy walls and ceilings just to wipe the cobwebs and whatnots to oblivion. In addition, there's also a 5-step washable filter inside this vacuum which helps to filter 99.9% of dust. When it comes to cleaning, the LG CordZero can easily suck from a small to large dust and particles, and even grime. It has an airflow of 45 cubic feet per minute on turbo mode and 26 cubic feet per minute on low power. We haven't had any tangling issues whatsoever using the LG CordZero. It does have a removable battery which is also a plus as you can extend your cleaning time in just a snap. Although, the CordZero's battery will be automatically charged when mounted onto its base. We got an average of 32 minutes of cleaning time in low power per battery, which will give you an ample amount of time on cleaning your house. While we got an average of 16 minutes on turbo mode if you want to do some extensive cleaning. LG claims this particular model has a maximum runtime of up to 3 minutes, but I guess that's under the low settings and most ideal conditions. I guess runtimes will greatly vary depending on how clean or messy your cleaning area will be. And by the way, there is a battery indicator up front so you can monitor your cleaning time, which is very helpful. The LG CordZero comes in 3 different variants. The CordZero A9 Core, which is the one that we have here on the studio, CordZero A9K Ultra, CordZero A90 Ultra, and the CordZero A9 Max. In this video, we took a much detailed look on the CordZero A9 Core, which you can get on both Lazada and Shopee at a price tag of 23,920. If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner that has a futuristic design, sturdy, has powerful smart inverter vacuum motor, and possibly does have the best charging dock in its class, the LG CordZero A9 can be a great choice. So that's it guys, what do you think about LG CordZero A9 vacuum? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Carlos and see you in the next video.